Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Zero. This is their part number 320N. This is a black neoprene replacement seal for the 320, the 321, and the 323 series of automatic door bottoms. This is the replacement insert only. It's a 320N. There's no reference to finish at all, and that's how we let the factory know that we only want the replacement neoprene. And this video will serve as visual evidence of the item, so a little bit of dimensional evidence of the material as well. Not really obviously easy to see this on the camera, but let's take some dimensional properties. The width of the T at the top, 0.266, 0.266 wide. The thickness of that T, 0.076, 0.076 thick. The overall height, and obviously it's neoprene, so we're just kind of approximating as best we can. Yeah, I would say reasonably 0.209 from the shoulder here to the top here, 0.209. And the overall width of the material, 0.425. 0.425. Then the dimension from the shoulder down to the bottom of the relaxed neoprene, about 0.22 inch. 0.22 inch. And these dimensions are to help you determine if this is a suitable replacement. You know, we can't really be exact. Clients call and say, I need a replacement insert. Whose automatic door bottom do you have? I don't know. So then what we really try to do is to just digest the visual of it. What does it look like? And if it looks like this is what you have, and then you get some dimensions put together, and that all matches up well with what I've provided, then you ought to be in really good shape. Now, this material is sold in lots of lengths. Forgive me, this material is sold in any length. We have it listed in straight lengths, like 36 inch, etc. You can order, let's say you were doing 20 of these units and they were 3 foot in length, so therefore you needed 60 feet of the material. You might take a look at ordering either 23 foot pieces, or you might take a look at ordering, there may be a 12 inch piece. Let's take a look, 320N. The point of the matter is, if you have need for a continuous length, there's not any 12 inch. But if you needed 100 feet, you could order, 25 foot lengths and simply indicate in the comment field, ship this as a continuous length of 100 feet, or however it works for you. But, people aren't thinking of this in a 100 foot roll. I've got a 3 foot wide door. So that's what it is. Being Zero, it's a good quality, very durable type material, and it's nice that they make the replacement inserts available because that's all you need to replace. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Zero products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Zero 320N replacement insert or any other Zero product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.